Hello everyone, welcome to my jailbreak video where I today will show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 12.1.3. This works for all iPhones, iPads, any iDevice running any version of iOS 12. And as you can see, I'm not jailbroken here on my Apple iPhone, and I do not have Cydia installed. So now we are going to start up our Safari browser on our iOS device. Get to this address, jailbreaki-it.net. And here they will tell you how this works. Here they will tell you how this works, and they will tell you that you can't install Cydia directly on an Apple iDevice because Apple has not approved this app, obviously. So they simply bundled the Cydia and an Apple-approved app together. Basically, they injected the jailbreak inside of an approved application. So the result was that you get an application that is approved by Apple and you can install it. And when you start this app, then the jailbreak and Cydia will be installed in the background. So go to this site and then you're going to scroll to the bottom and click on this icon here to get to the free jailbreak injected apps store. And here we're going to pick an app. Apps are free, of course. Sometimes the apps gets patched. If they do get patched, then they won't work. But that's no problem. Then we're just going to try another app. They're all free, so usually there's at least one app that works. Now we're downloading our jailbreak injected app. Now we're going to start it and keep it running for about 30 seconds or so. The reason we need to keep it running for about 30 seconds is because right now, hopefully, unless this app has been patched, of course, then we're just going to pick another app. Right now, the jailbreak and Cydia is being installed in the background. So we just start it up like I did now, and we're going to wait, and hopefully something will happen soon. Like this. And yeah, I know. And it worked, and there's Cydia. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, when you start Cydia for the first time, you're going to want to update the sources and such. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I would be very happy if you commented down below and told me about this jailbreak, how it worked for you. What's your favorite tweaks and such. And I would also be very, very happy if you subscribed and, the usual stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching and enjoy your new jailbroken iPhone.